English, Grade 7, Tape Script 9.26.1.
The new baby is cute. Look at her. She's my favorite thing in the world. Her name's Arani. Isn't that a beautiful name? Arani. Everyone says she's the prettiest baby bird. She sings all day. She's good at singing. And she can talk. Arani can speak English and Khmer. Oh, listen. She's speaking now. Squawk! See? She says, "It's nice to meet you. I love my dad." Beautiful English. She's so smart.
Oh my gosh, Awang's new baby is so ugly.
Tara! All babies are beautiful.
Well, Aruni isn't. It's the ugliest baby ever. And singing. That baby's bird can't sing. That baby bird singing makes me want to cry. It's the worst singing ever.
Yes, Aruni's singing is bad. Do you know Avong thinks she can speak Khmer and English? She can't. She can't speak a word of English or Khmer. She just says, "Squawk!"
Shh, he's coming. Hi, Awang. Beautiful baby.
I know.
Tape Script 9.26.2. Speaks, speaks, works, works, walks, walks, zzz, zzz, plays, plays, drives, drives, listens, listens, lives, lives, is, brushes, brushes, teaches, teaches, dances, dances. Tape Script 9.26.3.
Works, works. S, s. Plays, plays. Zzz, zzz. Teachers, teachers. Is, lives, lives. Zzz, zzz. Brushes, brushes. Is, opens, opens. Zzz, zzz. Makes, makes. S, s. Saves, saves. Zzz, zzz, cries, cries, zzz, zzz, likes, likes, s, s, practices, practices, is,
Tape script 9.26.4.
Hey, I'm Tom. I'm new in town. I'm from England. I'm 13 years old and I'm in grade 7. I live in Cambodia with my weird family. I love it here and it's cool hanging out with Linda. But sometimes I miss England. My family are weird. My dad plays guitar. He thinks he's good, but he isn't. When he plays the guitar, my baby sister cries. The louder Dad plays, the louder she cries. Dad thinks she likes his playing, but I don't think she does. Everyone thinks my sister is really cute. I have to change her nappy. Oh, yuck. I think she's cute, but she's boring. She just drinks milk all day. She's drinking milk now. That's my big brother Cam. Cam thinks he's cool, but he's not. He sings the K-pop songs all day, and he wants to be cool like them. But he's not really cool. That's my mum. I love my mum, but I don't love her cooking. My mum thinks she can cook Cambodian food. I like Cambodian food when Sapal's mum cooks it, but my mum's Cambodian food is really bad. We eat it because we don't want her to think we're naughty. I sometimes feed mine to the dog, but he thinks it's bad too. My dog's smart.
Tape script 9.26.5.
You know my brother Cam, Linda?
Yeah.
He's such a grump.
You mean he's unhappy a lot? Why?
I don't know. He hates everything. When I ask him to go for a walk, he says he hates walking. He says he doesn't like walking because he gets tired and hot. When I ask him to come to the shop with me, he says he hates buying things. Really? Everyone loves shopping. He says he hates money and he hates shopping. I ask him what his favourite colour is. You know what he says? He says he doesn't like colours. That's right. He says he hates all colours. I ask him to go fishing. He says he hates the lake. He hates the water. He hates the fish. But most of all, he hates fishing. Fishing is fun. Mum says it's because he is a grumpy 16-year-old. He hates everything because he's a teenager. And teenagers are grumpy sometimes. But I'm a teenager, and I'm never grumpy.
Liar! You were grumpy yesterday.
Was not.
Yes, you were. And you're grumpy now.
Whatever.
Tape script 9.26.6.
I don't like ice cream, I don't like blue. I don't like dancing and I don't like you. I don't like smiling, I don't like pink. I don't like anything and you stink.